So I like to use this example for this sort of thing. So yes, color blocking. So you need to be looking at a wall elevation first, and then under the decor menu, you want to go along to trim, and what you'll find is a set of shapes right at the top of the list for different painted areas. And so what you can do with this is you might want to paint part of this room, maybe around these monkey bars, with one color, just to highlight it in the space. So let's go for something that I can say, citron. So we've got a rectangle there. You could then add another shape. Might be easier to have painted this already, Callum. So there you go. And again, if you're trying to get this to line up, might make sense to use a keyboard so that you can use the arrow keys to nudge your shapes around by a millimeter at a time, or if you hold shift, you can move them by a centimeter at a time. So yeah, we're creating this kind of curved space, another rectangle, and do that. And there you go. And if you are bringing that color down onto the skirting board, for example, skirting board, drag it up to the point where the line of the paint would end. Likewise, that way, for a nice yellow, and then add, actually you could copy that little bit of skirting board, bring that along, yeah, like that, and then, from memory, was this sizing? Yes, there we go. So then you've got your kind of fun, bright yellow around the monkey bars, and your blue around the rest of the playroom.